Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into some exciting leaks and features coming to the OnePlus Open 2. If you're a tech enthusiast, this video is for you. The OnePlus Open 2 is expected to be the world's thinnest foldable phone, measuring just 4mm thick when unfolded and 9.2mm when folded. This sleek, all-black design with a frosted finish and a flat outer display is sure to turn heads. One of the standout features of the OnePlus Open 2 is its reduced camera bump. The phone boasts a triple camera setup, including a 50MP primary camera, an ultra-wide lens, and a periscope telephoto lens. This setup promises to deliver stunning photos and videos, all while maintaining a slim profile. Whether you're capturing landscapes, portraits, or zooming in on distant subjects, this camera array has got you covered. The inner display of the OnePlus Open 2 is expected to be a 2K resolution screen with a 120Hz refresh rate, offering a smooth and immersive viewing experience. This high refresh rate ensures that scrolling, gaming, and watching videos feel incredibly fluid. The display quality will make every image and video look crisp and vibrant, enhancing your overall usage experience. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, with up to 16GB of RAM and 1TB of storage. This top-tier hardware configuration ensures that the phone handles multitasking, gaming, and heavy applications with ease. You'll have plenty of space for all your apps, photos, and videos, ensuring smooth performance without any lag. Battery life won't be an issue with the OnePlus Open 2, thanks to its 5,700 mAh battery and 80W fast charging support. This means you can stay connected and powered up throughout the day without any worries. The fast charging capability ensures that even if you run low on battery, you'll be back up and running in no time. Additionally, the phone includes an IPX8 rating for water resistance, wireless charging, and OnePlus iconic alert slider, adding to its list of impressive features. In summary, the OnePlus Open 2 combines cutting-edge technology with a sleek design, making it a highly anticipated device in the foldable phone market. Stay tuned as we explore more about this exciting new phone and other upcoming tech innovations. Don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates and insights. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.